guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a fall care package for my boyfriend. I am going to make a nice little package for him, but I just wanted to kind of send him something, you know, just a little pick-me-up and, you know, let him know that I'm thinking about him and still love him. I know, super cute. But I got everything from Hobby Lobby, so I just got back from there. And obviously we have a little guest, Milo. He insisted on being in the video, so just don't mind him. Just a few things that I did go ahead and get that you're gonna need when you are making a care package, especially if you are gonna be sending one to somebody that is in the service. So I went ahead and got this. This is gonna be a priority mailbox that you can get, and these are free, so I was able to get 2 large ones, 2 medium ones, and then it also comes with packing tape and shipping labels. So this whole pack that I did get was from the postal service, so you can go online and you just put in your address, tell them that you want a deployment package kit, and they send it to you for free. It did take about 2 weeks for me to get those, so just make sure you plan that ahead of time. So yeah, today I'm gonna be using the large one, and I'm excited, guys, because I'm gonna decorate this fall theme, like I said. A little extra, so I couldn't just send a normal care package. I actually need to decorate it. And this is also good because it helps you to have something to look forward to while they are gone. So this is just something that I'm gonna look forward to each month, going with different themes. So I'm gonna do a Thanksgiving one, a Christmas one, a New Year's one, a Valentine's one. Guys, stay tuned for those videos as well, so you can kind of see how I'm gonna decorate those, because this one is my first one, so please don't be too hard on me. First thing you're gonna need is some packing tape, which comes in the kit, so you don't have to go buy any. Then I got some small lettering. This is gonna be something that I'm just gonna put maybe like on the sides, like little cute notes, like you typed it out, but not really, but it keeps it neat. So I just thought this would be something that would be cute. Milo loves being in front of the camera, by the way, so he might be my new little co-host. I got this one. These ones are a little bit bigger, if you can see. So what's pretty cool about these is I figured I could write something big on the boxes. So this one, since it is fall theme, I'm actually gonna put "Still Falling for You." I know, corny, but that's me. And so this is gonna be what's gonna say "Still Falling for You." And then this will be like cute little messages on there. Also gonna need some scissors, some glue, and this is going to be like the glue stick. I figured that this would be less messy and look neater for my paper that I'm going to put, and it is going to be some scratchbook paper that I have, and so I figure I'm just going to put this on here to make it stick. But I did go ahead and get some double-sided tape, and this is going to be for like the pictures, so I'm also going to include some pictures on this box. And a pencil is going to be another thing that you're going to need. This is just so I can line and mark my papers to see how much I need to cut out. Of course, you're gonna need your pictures, so I do have some pictures that I'm gonna put in there of us. That I did get is fall, so since it is gonna be still falling for you, I thought that these were the cutest ones out of all of them in Hobby Lobby, that you could actually still write something and it doesn't look too cluttered. There was some other ones that had too much print on it, and I felt like that wasn't gonna work for me with what I was trying to do. So I really do like this one better. And then also I was gonna get 4 of those, but instead I ended up getting these. This was just something cute to me. It's like wood. I figured these would be like what has the pictures on them, kind of like I hung pictures up. Just felt like this would give a different texture and a different vibe for it, but also the colors do go really good with this, and it still has that fall theme with it. So I have a box full of things, but I also am still waiting on a few more items, so I'm not going to be able to take this up. The other things I did get was like a hoodie and a sweatshirt, and then also a really cool thing that I'm super excited that I got him is going to be a phone holder. And so what it does is I have a bunch of phone holders here, you know, doing YouTube and everything, but for him, so he can watch movies and stuff, I got it off of Amazon, and you actually wrap it around you and it just sits up right in front of you, but or he can take it out and he can wrap it around things, so that way he's able to actually watch movies and be comfortable while doing it. So I'm waiting for that to come in, which should be coming in tonight, and I also will show you guys that once it gets here. But for now, I'm gonna do some snacks and get all that in here, and then once that arrives, I will add that into the box as well. I'm starting with the large priority mailbox, and I'm just going to figure out how I can make this as stable as possible on the bottom. So I go ahead and fold it, and then I'm gonna take the priority shipping tape that came with this and going to just tape it a ton of times. I really want to make sure that this doesn't fall through, and like I said, I am waiting on the hoodie, so that's going to also go at the bottom of the box, which is going to help with some more cushion. But you really just want to make sure it is taped as good as possible, because I would hate for this to open up and not make it to him. So once I do tape the outside of the box, I go ahead and start taping the inside. I just want to make sure this is so sturdy. Taping it this many times really just makes me feel more comfortable. You really don't have to tape it this much, but I went ahead and did so. Next, I am just lining up my paper. So I like to line up and just make a mark on it, and I use the pencil to line it up as well. And then I'll just take the scissors and go along that line. I really sucked in art class, so my lines really aren't straight, so I just do the best that I can. Next, I'm just going to make sure that my line was straight enough to where it matches and there's no overlapping or anything like that. If there is, I just trim it off. I'm going in with my glue stick first, and I just want to put glue everywhere, so I put it on the back of the scrapbooking paper, but also I am going to put it on the box as well. And then just to make sure it is really on there, I went ahead and added some of the double-sided tape, and I just put that on the corners just because I didn't want the glue stick to be lifting. I know that sometimes glue sticks just really don't hold, but this glue stick actually did pretty good, and it dried clear even though I know it's showing purple. And it's very important that you do make sure that this is even, because if it's not even, then your box isn't going to close correctly, and then when he goes to open it up, it's not going to look the way that you packaged it for him. So you really just want to make sure it's flat as possible. So I just take a credit card and go over it and make sure that it's smooth out. I'm just going to do the exact same thing for the other side of the box with the leaves. I'm real picky about this because I just want this box to be so perfect for him. I really put a lot of effort into this, and I just wanted to show him how much he means to me, even with the simple decorating of a box. And I tell you guys, it really does help them. So if this is something that you're thinking of doing, I really recommend that you do. It's also really fun. I'm taking the wood textured scrapbooking paper and just going to measure and cut it just like I did with the leaves. I did learn while doing this box that next time I'm definitely going to not use the glue stick at all and just going to use double-sided tape just to make sure that it's going to stay on there. The glue really didn't hold it the way that I thought it would, and so that's just a tip that I figured I would give to you guys so that you don't make the same mistake. It's all complete with my scrapbooking, and I love the way that it turned out. So now I'm just gonna go in with my good old letters that I picked out. These letters were just a tad bit too big, I feel like. I feel like I should have gone a little bit smaller, but I did trim them off later, so it ended up working out. But you really wanna try to measure them while you're in the store and just not get too big of ones. I wanted it to be where you could read it, so when he opens it up, it just has 2 words on each of the flaps, so I didn't go too crazy on it. They had a ton of letters in Hobby Lobby to pick from, so it was super difficult to choose. They had all different fonts, colors, and sizes, so they had really cute options for any creative theme. I have these letters already on. I don't know if you can see what it says, but like I said, it's gonna say still falling for you, because it's fall. I'm a little goofy with it just because I am goofy and he knows, so it's kind of like an inside thing. I went ahead and did is cut out the next letters, and this one is gonna be the for you. We're gonna see how this comes out. A little bit more of the Y. Y. What we got? I think it's pretty cute. I think either way he's gonna like this, just for the fact that the thought that I went into making it. And I'll show you guys what everything I put in the box. That'll have to be on a separate video, because this one so far is already pretty long. I want to go in detail of what I got, just because the meaning of everything, and so you guys kind of know the significance of why I got each thing that's going to go in here. So that's going to be on a separate video, so make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe to this video so you don't miss out on that one. So this next stuff that I'm going to add is going to be the pictures on the side with the wood. You know what, y'all? I just realized the L's are too long for me too. So we're gonna cut some of this L off. Much better. Still falling for you. Not still falling for you. So picture wise, I want some that are like us in it, some of me, and then I have a picture of us together at church, and that kind of fall colors that we're wearing in the picture. So I'm gonna definitely add that one. So yeah, just kind of, you just choose your favorite pictures that you guys want to add and just go on there. So I want it to look like these are hung on there, so I'm only going to take like a piece of double tape and put it on there. So also I am going to spray this box with his favorite perfume that I wear. He loves the smell of it, so I thought spraying the box with it would be nice, so when he opens it, it just smells just like me. So we're gonna take the double-sided tape, and I'm gonna do this side. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Look how cute this is, and this was my first box. So y'all need somebody to make you care packages, hit me up. But for real, y'all, this was fun, and I really recommend that you do this if you do have like a significant other or someone that you love that is needing a care package. I feel like this just kind of helps you as well get through the deployment. Can't speak. This helps you as well get through the deployment. Look how cute this is. I said I made this by myself, all from Hobby Lobby, and it wasn't expensive at all. This box is free, and then these papers were for $1. So you know Hobby Lobby always has 40% off sale, and they were having it again today. And then these letters were not expensive at all. If you guys have any questions on this or how I made the box, any suggestions that you guys would like, go ahead and let me know in the comments and I will get back to you for sure. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.